Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab. Select the text edit. Rotate the shape. Duplicate the shape. Select another shape. Change the color. Change the background color. Duplicate the photo. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.